3 days of continuous heavy rain in the days before Easter 1998, the River Nene, which runs through Northampton, could no longer contain the amount of water that was draining into it. And this resulted in the river overflowing its banks in the early hours of Good Friday, sending a wall of water coursing its way through the low-lying neighbouring streets, flooding some properties with up to 8 feet of water. This policeman has an impossible task with the equipment issued. Nobody is going to open up these locks in a hurry today. A normal, peaceful riverside walk through Beckett's Park is turned into a raging torrent. Some people enjoy a stroll, but let's hope he does not walk on too far. This broken structure is normally the landing stage for the Red Cross barge that takes pensioners on pleasure cruises downriver as far as Billing Aquadrome and back. No one will be taking a picnic in this park today. Neither will anyone sample the joys of a fairground ride this Easter. Not the best of roads to drive along, as this motorist found out. Moving downstream, the river rages under the Bedford Road Bridge. The floods at this point threaten a nearby hotel. Farm animals were put at risk as the river flooded neighbouring fields. These travellers' horses that are tethered were released by the police and RSPCA as the water rose to higher levels. This is the flood relief scheme put in place to hold back the water to save areas further downstream from flooding. But as you can see, it is almost to the top of the banks. This has only been a brief look at the floods that devastated whole areas of the Midlands and the East during Easter 1998.